Okay, assembly time. I've got dowels and glue in here already, and as you can see, I've got the other half ready to go. This is a little bit scary in a way. You have to keep moving on this once the glue is on those dowels. They're compressed and fluted when they're made, and being that this is a water-based glue, it will expand the dowels, and so you have to kind of hurry a little bit and make sure you get your joints put together fairly fast. Otherwise the dowels will seize in the joint wherever they're at, and you won't be able to pull it together. Now, get this started in here. It's always handy to have a hammer handy. This particular one is a dead blow hammer. It's full of shot or something like that to keep it from bouncing off. A rubber mallet would just bounce when you hit it. When you hit this, it deadens the blow, as it is so aptly named. I'm going to swing the camera over here to the gluing area back by the official sawhorses and bring my piece over here. I remember I said before I was going to 4-square clamp these, which means 2 on the bottom and 2 perpendicular on the top. The other thing I want to make sure is, to the best of my ability here, I have this perpendicular in here. I want the joints to be coming in like that, rather than line the D and the H up here and the C and the 6 up there. Pretty close. Once I get this tight enough, I won't be able to shift those anymore, or shift the panel anymore, because the space balls grab and start to compress. Here you can see you have to work both corners at the same time in order to get these, since the dowels are in on an angle, but the clamps are pulling square with the wood, either front to back or side to side. That looks good on that side. I'd say I'm pretty close. And also, I've got to watch here. I'm getting a little behind on this one here. In other words, it's in. Let me see if I can move the camera again to a little better angle. There we go. This is back a little further than this, and I can tweak that by squeezing one or the other of the clamps. Loosen this and pull this tighter. I want those clamps to, or these, I want the clamps to pull these joints even right around the middle. Let's see. Yeah, that should pull that in a little better. Loosen that a hair so it will slide just a touch. Oh, that's good. I need to pinch this side in a little bit more. That's good. This is a little off here. I'll squeeze this down. Loosen this back up again. Let it slide. Oh, beautiful. It's coming to shape. Coming right where it needs to be. Still a little off here. I'm a little far. I'll back that out. And this one needs to also come in. Let's see if I can pinch this in a little further. First, back this off. It's coming along nicely there. About where it should be. Might need to bump it a hair with the... Nice. That's just a hair off there. Loosen this up just a little bit.